God says, you are walking through today unaware of what's unfolding behind your back. In silence, a deal has been made that you were never supposed to know about. A decision that directly affects your peace, your future, and the life you've been trying to rebuild. God says, this wasn't an accident. They waited for this exact moment to strike, when your heart was healing, when your mind was focused. While you were praying for clarity, someone else was plotting how to keep you confused and delayed. The moment has already happened. While you were asleep, someone signed something, someone said something, and your name was whispered in secret. The energy changed suddenly, and you felt it in your chest. That pressure wasn't from stress, it was heaven alerting you. And now the angels are speaking loudly, if you don't act on this, a precious moment could vanish. Your future has been tampered with by someone close to the situation. But heaven is rearranging what they thought they sealed. Type Amen 333 if you're ready to receive what was stolen from you. You feel tired, but this exhaustion is spiritual, it's your soul warning you. They thought you'd stay blind, that you'd accept the distractions as truth. But something inside you won't let go, something inside you is waking up. God says, you were supposed to be informed about an opportunity weeks ago. A message, a call, a chance, delayed on purpose. It wasn't a system error. It was sabotage. Heaven saw the whole thing. While they smiled in front of you, they stabbed your progress in quiet. But this betrayal will become the very reason you rise. Type Amen 444 if you believe justice is already on the way. Something massive is shifting in your favor right now. The tables are about to turn in front of the very eyes that tried to erase you. But there is one mistake you're making, and it could block this divine turn. You're hesitating. You're still doubting what you've seen, what you've felt, what your intuition screamed at you. You're trying to be loyal to a memory while ignoring the truth of the present. God says, stop protecting the very thing that's hurting you. Let go of who they were, and look at who they are now. Time has revealed what their heart has been hiding. Type Amen 555 if you're ready to break free completely. Today, April 25th, was marked spiritually long before you woke up. This isn't just another day, this is a divine checkpoint. Heaven is watching what you choose now, and how you respond to this signal. There are blessings in queue, waiting for your alignment. But confusion will block them if you don't move differently. You can't keep praying for change and walking in old habits. You must shift now. It's not enough to hope, this is the time to activate your authority. Your delay is costing you more than you know. Type Amen 666 if you're ready to move forward without fear. A door is opening in the next 3 days. It will look like a coincidence, but it's a divine reversal. Something you thought was lost will reappear, but it will require your full attention. God says, I'm placing your name in rooms where you've been erased. I'm turning whispers of betrayal into echoes of your rising. But don't be caught off guard, you must be spiritually prepared. Someone is still pretending to be on your side. They are acting like support, but their true role is to delay. And the longer you ignore this, the deeper they dig. Type Amen 777 if you want this hidden betrayal exposed completely. There is an email, a contract, a conversation, they hoped you'd never see it. But God is lifting the veil, and you will feel it. A sharp pull in your spirit, a sudden awareness of what has been hidden. God says, I'm not just showing you what happened. I'm giving you power to recover it all. Every day you were overlooked, every deal made behind your back, will be reversed. But you must remove the fear. You cannot enter this new season carrying doubt like armor. Your protection is divine, not emotional. Type Amen 888 if you're letting fear go right now. Someone is watching your page, your steps, your silence. They're nervous because they can feel your shift coming. They know what you're capable of once you stop playing small. God says, they didn't expect you to survive the last heartbreak. They thought that betrayal would silence your purpose. But you've been reborn through the fire they set. Now you're glowing with something they can't touch, divine momentum. That momentum is why the deal behind your back will not hold. God is breaking that contract in the spirit. Type Amen 999 if you believe it's already done. Today carries weight in heaven's timeline. It may look quiet on the outside, but there's a war happening in the invisible. Your angels are fighting to bring justice into your reality. Your part is obedience. Don't text back, don't go back, don't explain. Let the silence speak louder than your defense. You are being vindicated, not through arguments, but results. God says, this miracle will break through your storm like lightning. But your alignment must come first. Don't delay your deliverance by entertaining delay itself. Type Amen 000 if you're walking away from all delay today. Something big is about to land in your life. It will come quickly, beautifully, unexpectedly. But it cannot coexist with the lie you've been tolerating. Remove what insults your peace. You know exactly what that means. The confirmation has already hit your heart. God says, I'm not punishing you, I'm protecting you. I'm removing access from those who never deserved your light. But you must do your part and close the door completely. Type Amen 1212 if you're ready to close that door for good. You've waited long enough. This is not a moment to pause, it's a moment to prepare. The very thing that was blocked is coming through in a different form. The enemy planned the delay. But God planned your deliverance with surgical timing. You will see why it had to be today. Something broke in the heavens just now. An approval just went through. And that deal made in secret has been cancelled in spirit. Type Amen 1111 if you believe the shift just happened. God says, I have not forgotten what was done to you. I saw the lies, the manipulation, the quiet cruelty. But I've also seen your faith, your tears, your restraint. Now I will reward you in public. I will bless you in such a way that even your enemies will have to acknowledge it. But first, you must fully detach from the illusion. This is your final warning. A miracle is waiting, but hesitation could still block it. Say yes to your breakthrough with your actions, not just your words. Type Amen 1010 if your heart is saying yes completely. Your name is written on a blessing that was delayed by human hands. But heaven has re-stamped it with divine urgency. What was tied up is now being released. You won't have to chase it. It will find you when you're aligned. And that alignment begins with trust, with release, with clarity. God says, I'm clearing the path now. Walk it boldly, don't look back. What's ahead is greater than anything that's ever been behind. Type Amen 2020 if you're ready for the miracle to find you. God says, there is something written with your name on it that you have not received yet. A letter, a signature, a decision, sealed in spirit but hidden in the physical. And now the time has come for that secret to reach your hands. Heaven has waited for this moment. This isn't ordinary, this is about your spiritual and earthly inheritance. An inheritance that someone tried to bury, reroute, or silence. Archangel Micheal is now standing between you and the forces that tried to delay this blessing. He has drawn his sword not in warning, but in release. There are only 2 hours left before something irreversible happens. God says, this is the final countdown to a shift that will change the way you live, speak, and walk. You're not ready because you've been kept in confusion. But clarity is about to thunder through your entire being. Type Amen 333 if you're ready to receive the truth that was hidden from you. There was paperwork involving your legacy. It may not have your name on the front page, but your energy is all over it. It was meant for you, designed for you, protected for you. Someone intercepted the process. They thought if they delayed it long enough, you would give up. But heaven never let your file out of sight. Archangel Micheal is calling now. And the call is not gentle, it is urgent. Because if you don't move within these next 2 hours, a cycle may close prematurely. Type Amen 444 if you're stepping into divine awareness and refusing to miss it. There are conversations being had about you right now. Some in jealousy, some in disbelief, and some in regret. Because what they thought was forgotten, has returned. This inheritance is not just about money. It's about what was spoken over your life before you were born. A generational blessing that skipped others just to land on you. And the moment has been confirmed in the spirit realm. Archangel Micheal is guarding the portal that will deliver it. But the timing is critical, heaven is counting down. Type Amen 555 if your spirit feels the countdown getting louder. You've been feeling unsettled for a reason. Waking up at odd hours, seeing strange patterns, feeling emotional for no reason. That's your soul preparing for something massive. They tried to keep you unaware. They wanted to confuse you with distractions, chaos, delays. But your spirit couldn't be fooled. God says, you were born for this moment. Not everyone will understand, not everyone will celebrate you. But that doesn't stop what has been sealed in your name. Type Amen 666 if you're ready to accept what's already yours. A location is important. There's a place that holds the final piece of this revelation. You may feel called to go, or drawn toward a name or address. Trust that pull. Heaven is aligning details faster than your mind can understand. But your obedience must be sharp, hesitation can't live here. There is still someone trying to block the transfer. They've used charm, manipulation, and confusion. But the sword of Micheal has cut through their veil. Type Amen 777 if you know no one can block what God has released. This letter you're about to receive isn't just paper. It holds validation, proof, clarity. The kind of evidence you've been needing for years. A moment will arrive soon where you will sit in silence, staring at what you were never supposed to see. And it will all make sense. The delays. The rejections. The strange silence from people you trusted. God says, nothing was lost. Only paused. But the pause is over. Type Amen 888 if you're ready for the truth to break through. They're going to be shocked. Not just because it found you, but because you still had the strength to receive it. Most would have broken by now. But your silence protected the process. You endured without fighting for attention, and that humility moved heaven. Now you are being elevated in front of those who buried your name. There is no going back after this. This inheritance will change more than your bank account. It will shift your identity, your circle, your purpose. Type Amen 999 if you're ready to accept the elevation in full. Someone from your bloodline is at the center of this. They knew something long before you did. They chose silence instead of support. And that silence created a spiritual debt. But that debt is now being collected, and your blessing is the repayment. Not out of pity, but out of justice. God says, this is not a gift, it's restoration. It belongs to you. And what belongs to you cannot be hidden any longer. Type Amen 000 if you receive your restoration with open hands. Watch the signs around you. Technology may glitch, lights may flicker, random calls or messages might come through. These are not coincidences, they're spiritual notifications. You're being contacted on a divine level. And the next few hours are sacred. Protect your energy, stay alert, and don't doubt the signal. You're on a divine schedule. And Archangel Micheal is making sure nothing interrupts it. What's coming will rewrite your reality. Type Amen 1111 if you're ready for your reality to be rewritten. A transfer is occurring now. In the unseen, something is crossing from delay into deliverance. It has your name encrypted in light. You don't need to chase it. It's already been ordered to find you. But you must not open old doors while waiting on this new one. Every time you hesitate, you weaken the pull. You've done too much work to miss this now. Stay aligned, stay silent, stay sharp. Type Amen 1212 if you're locked in and ready for the shift. You will cry when you receive this. Not from pain, but from the undeniable beauty of divine timing. What was meant for harm has become your highest honor. Those who laughed will go silent. Those who whispered will watch in awe. And those who doubted you will try to reconnect, but it'll be too late. God says, let them watch. Let the truth speak for itself. This is your moment, and nothing can dim it now. Type Amen 1313 if you're walking boldly into your moment. Only 2 hours remain before this portal closes. Your spirit is being summoned to receive this truth, this letter, this legacy. The shift is personal and powerful. Breathe. Stay grounded. Let your soul receive before your mind tries to interrupt. This was not just a message, it was your divine wake-up call. What you do with it now determines what heaven does next. Walk with courage, because the shock is coming in your favor. Type Amen 1414 if you believe the shock will bless you, not break you. God says, there is a divine message en route to you, carrying revelations that will alter your life's course. This isn't merely a letter, it's a celestial dispatch concerning your spiritual inheritance. The contents are profound, destined to awaken truths long dormant within you. This message has traversed realms, overcoming barriers erected by doubt and fear. It's a testament to your resilience and unwavering faith. Now, as it approaches, the atmosphere around you shifts, signaling its imminent arrival. The inheritance detailed within isn't confined to material wealth. It encompasses wisdom, purpose, and a deeper connection to your divine path. Embracing it requires openness and the courage to step into your true calling. As you prepare to receive this message, attune your spirit to its frequency. Let go of preconceived notions and allow the divine to guide your understanding. This is a moment of transformation, a turning point ordained for your elevation. Type Amen 333 to affirm your readiness to receive this divine inheritance. The journey to this point has been filled with trials, each serving as preparation for what's to come. Every challenge faced has fortified your spirit, aligning you with the blessings ahead. Now, the universe conspires to deliver what has always been yours by divine right. In the coming hours, remain vigilant to signs and synchronicities. They are breadcrumbs leading you to the full revelation of your inheritance. Trust in the process, and know that the timing is orchestrated for your highest good. As the letter nears, feelings of anticipation may arise. Embrace them as indicators of the significant shift underway. Your life is on the cusp of a new chapter, rich with purpose and divine alignment. Remember, this inheritance is not just for you but also for those connected to your journey. Your acceptance and embodiment of it will ripple outward, inspiring and uplifting others. This is the power of divine blessings, they multiply when shared. Type Amen 444 to acknowledge the communal impact of your divine inheritance. As you stand at this threshold, release any lingering doubts or fears. They have no place in the new reality unfolding before you. Embrace the fullness of your destiny with confidence and grace. To Hearts of Love. Calm the letter's arrival is not the end but the beginning of a profound journey. One that will require faith, action, and unwavering commitment to your divine path. Prepare to step into a life of purpose, abundance, and spiritual fulfillment. In the stillness of your heart, you already know the truth of this message. It's a confirmation of what your soul has sensed all along. Now, it's time to actualize that knowing into being. Let this moment be a testament to your faith and the boundless possibilities that await when you align with your divine purpose. The universe stands ready to support you in this new chapter. Step forward with courage and conviction. Type Amen 555 to step boldly into your divinely ordained future. As the message integrates into your consciousness, allow it to guide your actions and decisions. Let it be the compass that steers you toward your highest potential. This is your time to shine, to lead, and to inspire. In embracing your inheritance, you honor not only yourself but also the divine source from which it originates. This sacred exchange is a celebration of your journey and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. May this message serve as a beacon, illuminating your path and empowering you to live a life of purpose, abundance, and joy. The universe rejoices in your awakening, and so do all who witness your transformation. Type Amen 666 to seal your commitment to this transformative journey. As you move forward, carry this message in your heart, allowing it to inspire and guide you. Share its wisdom with others, becoming a conduit for divine love and truth. In doing so, you fulfill the highest purpose of your inheritance. Remember, this is just the beginning. The journey ahead is filled with growth, discovery, and the continual unfolding of your divine potential. Embrace it with an open heart and unwavering faith. Type Amen 777 to affirm your ongoing commitment to your divine path. May your days be filled with clarity, your actions with purpose, and your heart with peace. The universe supports you, and your inheritance is a testament to your divine worth. Walk forward in confidence, knowing that all is unfolding as it should. Type Amen 888 to express gratitude for the blessings received and those yet to come. This message, this inheritance, is a sacred gift. Cherish it, honor it, and let it transform your life in miraculous ways. The journey continues, and the best is yet to come. Type Amen 999 to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. With love, light, and unwavering support, the divine walks with you every step of the way. Trust in this truth, and let it guide you to a life of fulfillment and joy. Type Amen 000 to acknowledge the divine presence in your life and the journey ahead.